Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back sis. Sit back, relax. Thanks for tuning in to another episode, and if you were brand new here, thank you so much for joining. My name is Safai Kelly, and today you guys, you are in for a treat, okay? Because I will be doing something I don't think I've ever done this on my channel before, but we're doing an unboxing from BoxyCharm. I will be unboxing the base box for this month, you guys. I'm also going to be unboxing the premium box for this month, so let's dive in. Why don't we kick things off starting with the base box. So the base box is a monthly subscription of $25, and you do get up to 5 full-sized items. So in the box there is this cute little info card that has all of the products that are inside the box with their listed price and some background information on the products. The first thing we have here, I see some skincare. We are talking about MURAD. Hello, okay. We have the MURAD City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I love me some skincare. This will detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. Not something that we want. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen the skin's barrier while you sleep. I love things that work while I'm sleeping. I love that. I think it's really neat that the MURAD City Skin Overnight Moisturizer has this little pump here. So you basically just push the top down and the correct amount is dispensed right in the center, and I love that, so you never have to do any guesswork. And so here's a product here on my hands. It feels really good. This feels like a hydration dream. The way it feels on the back of my hand, I'm just like, ooh, I cannot wait to put you on my face tonight. I cannot wait. This feels really good. This moisturizer does retail for $74. Now, I'm no mathematician, but $74 takes care of the monthly $25 subscription for this box. We do have the BEEKMAN 1802 Dowy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Answer all my prayers. I'm so excited. So I just put some of the eye serum right on the back of my hand. There's no fragrance. It feels really, really nice. It feels very luxurious, and it does feel like it's going to absorb. It doesn't feel like it's very heavy and thick, and that's not something that you want to put under your eyes. Anywho, moving on to the next product that we have in base box for this month, we're talking about Skin Ink, and this is my daily dose of uplift. So this is going to be a skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid that delivers anti-aging. Love me some anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. Can I get an amen? So now this serum does retail for $65, you guys. I mean, base box, what are you doing this month? So the next item that we have here in base box is actually gonna be our first makeup product, and this is the CIATE London Shadow Flip. This is a liquid eyeshadow that has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look just in one simple step. This does retail for $20. I really think this is super neat. In the bottle itself, you can see the reflex. I'm seeing some blue, I'm seeing some green, and I'm also seeing some like ambers, which is really awesome. I really hope on the lid it looks like this. I did a quick swatch on my hand, and so far I'm only seeing like the rust part of it, but I really hope I get to see all the reflex once it's on the eyes, you know. So here we have the last product in base box, and this is the SOPHIA and MABELLE Hydrating Hybrid. Now this is gonna be a lipstick. This is a hydrating hybrid. It is a lipstick and lip balm in one. Okay, wait a second. I think this is something we've all been waiting for. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. I love wearing lipstick, but I hate the feeling of dry lips. Like, no one wants dry, crusty lips. And then you can also get a pop of color with moisturizing your lips at the same time. So I'm excited to get this on the lips, but this pretty much wraps up base box. So with that being said, you know what time it is. It is time to jump into the premium box. So premium box is a $35 monthly subscription, and that's only $10 more than our base box. So I'm really excited to see what we have in store for our premium box. We do have that same little info card, but clearly and obviously we have different products listed for our premium box. box. And the first product that we have here is from House Laboratories, and this is their Glam Room Palette number 1, Fame. And this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. So in this eyeshadow palette, we have 10 matte, metallic, and shimmer sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. So I did some swatches on the back of my hand of the shades inside this palette, you guys. And when I tell you the creaminess and silkiness and butteriness of these shades, the metallics popped without any assistance. The mattes are pigmented. I cannot wait to get these eyeshadows onto my eyes. The next product we have is from Too Faced, and this is the Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. So this is a 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula that delivers rich, intense chocolate scented matte color in skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrush finish or as a pigmented primer. I think this packaging is so cute, and you know what, you guys, it swatches really nice. It's super rich. It's so pigmented. I really can't wait to get this on the eyes. I think I am going to use it as a primer to see how the eyeshadows kind of wear on top of it. Oh, guys, it smells like chocolate. It smells like chocolate. Too Faced. How'd you do that? How'd you? Oh, that smells absolutely delicious, but don't eat it. It's makeup. Up next, we have Bite Beauty. This is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. I'm really excited for this because I've never actually tried anything from Bite Beauty before, so I'm very intrigued. This is a clean, high performance matte lipstick for a very creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. I love the sound of that. This is in the shade Midnight Rye. It's a very deep, rich brown. Now we have Serumkind, a Black Blossom hand serum. I love that they said hand serum and not like a hand lotion. So this is gonna be a hand serum that's perfect for intensive care of the skin barrier, infused with the healing effects of Black Blossom serum. This does retail for $27, you guys. The packaging looks very sleek. It's super simple, straight to the point. I'm putting some on my hand here. I think that's enough. And it feels, ooh, it feels really nice. It feels very luxurious. It's not thick like a hand lotion, which is what I was kind of thinking because of it's made for hands. So I was just thinking it was gonna be thick like a hand lotion, but it is so thin and it feels like it's absorbing. It doesn't feel like it's gonna be really greasy at all. Oh my cherry blossom. This smells so good, you guys. Oh my god, I just want to glue my hands to my face. It smells so nice and it feels really good. So I am gonna put this in my bag and this is going everywhere I'm going. I honestly wish that you could just like feel my hands and like you want to hold hands for a second because it feels so nice. This next product is from LARUCE Beauty, and this is the On The Go set. This 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliners or eyebrows. This does retail for $96, you guys. The fact that you only had to pay $35 for this box monthly and this one item is $96. Can I just like, are you guys ready to sign up? Because I am. I like the size of this brush. I feel like it's gonna be the perfect size to stay controlled with my foundation. This is the smaller brush and they said it was good for highlight or blush, and I can totally see that. I think this is a good size for a blush brush or even like highlighter. This angled brush is actually pretty neat, you guys. So you know you can use angled brushes for your eyebrows, for eyeliner, and sometimes I even like to use it underneath my lower lashes to smoke things out down here. So we're gonna put all of these into play today. Last but not least, we have the Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Trio. That sounds intense. That sounds dragon blood, but I'm low-key excited to find out more. These innovative gel eye masks combined biocellulose technology with dragon's blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect. This does retail for $18. This box does come with 3 pairs of the eye mask, so that's pretty neat. I'm really excited to just like have this on while I'm doing some of my makeup. So with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna be putting some of these products to play. Let's get into some application. Let's have some fun with it. So I'm gonna be using a handful of products that we saw today. The first thing I'm taking is the My Dose of Daily Uplift, and this is from Skin Inc. This is the serum, and I'm gonna kind of use this to sort of prep and prime my skin for the foundation. Never put your eyedropper onto your skin, you guys. That keeps it dirty, and we're trying to be clean here, especially when it comes to the skin. So this feels so nice on the skin. It's just literally gliding on. It doesn't feel super heavy, but it's a serum, so we know it's gonna be light. I'm having a little self-care moment here and giving myself a facial lift massage. Don't mind me. In continuation of just like prepping our skin for everything today, I am gonna go with the Dragon's Blood eye mask. So here is the eye mask, but you guys, there's so much serum that is left here in this package. If I were you and I had this, I would definitely, like, if I wear this, I would keep this and maybe use it for like another day and just use the serum and just apply it like an eye serum. You need to remove both sides, and then you're left with just like this really thin gel looking eye mask. I'm never really sure if this is like the right way to put on eye mask, but it just makes more sense. So, oh well. So I did one eye off camera, you guys. The first product I used for this look today is the Melted Chocolate eyeshadow from Too Faced. Now this is in the shade Chocolate Chai. I'm dipping my brush into the product on the back of my hand. Then we're gonna go ahead and place this on our lid. I'm using a fluffy brush just because it's gonna be easier to go ahead and blend out and diffuse this color. And look at how beautiful this is. I'm placing this right in my crease, and this is gonna be the transition shade for today's look. Now I'm gonna be diving into the Fame palette from House Laboratories, and I'm taking the shade Contort. I'm sort of going for like a halo eye effect, so I'm gonna place Contort right on the outer edge and then bring it up into the crease, a bit more controlled. I'm also gonna place this right in the inner corner to go ahead and add some depth. The next shade I'm using is Top Hat. Now this is the black eyeshadow. We're gonna be so gentle. We don't even need that much. I just wanna create a little bit more depth, just a little bit on the inner and outer corners of our eye. I'm gonna be taking the CIATE London Shadow Flip eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Ember. This is a liquid eyeshadow, and we're applying this right in the center for that metallic pop. So now I'll be taking the shade Top Hat and our LARUCE small angled brush, and I'm just going to create a nice smoky top liner. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for eyes. Let's go ahead and move on to our face. Alright, it is time to remove our Dragon's Blood masks off. Right underneath my eyes looks so refreshed. Look at it. She looks awake. Hi, we're here. I'm gonna take the LARUCE foundation brush, and I'm just really excited to see what we have going on here. I like the way the brush feels. I think this is the perfect size for a foundation brush, also for contour as well. I really love how dense this brush is. It is so dense and so soft. It really just buffs out the product so perfectly, and the fact that it's this size is great for all areas of the face. You know, like it just fits. It's not too big for the face. So everything is looking really, really nice on the face, right? So I'm gonna be taking the LARUCE highlight brush, and it was also mentioned that it could be used for blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush for blush, smiling and placing this right on the apples of my cheeks. I really love this size for the cheeks. Like, it is so focused. The dome is perfect for right on the apples, and even swiping in an upward motion to apply your blush. I do like this brush for that. We're gonna keep with the same brush, so I wanna see how it works for highlight application. I will say that this brush is able to pick up a good amount of product, so be sure you tap off the excess. So now I'm gonna sweep this highlight right on the top of my cheekbones. Ah! Do we see? That was like perfect application, you guys. And it looks so good. It perfectly diffuses when it's applying the highlight, so it doesn't just stick to one spot and look like one huge streak of highlight on the face. Like, no one wants that. So I can definitely see why they recommended this brush precisely for blush or highlight, because it really does do both. So we're almost done with the face. The only thing that's missing are lips. So I'm gonna be kind of cheating. I'm gonna be taking both lip products today. The first product I'm taking is from Bite Beauty, and this is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Midnight Rye. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm taking this darker shade first. I'm kind of almost, oh my god, it's so creamy. I'm kind of almost using this kind of like a lip liner almost. The shape of this lipstick is absolutely perfect, so you're able to get those nice crisp lines. Real quick, the bottom actually comes off and you can use it to sharpen it so that you can always have a nice clean line. So I'm going for more of like an ombre kind of lip. So the next lip product I'm taking is the SOPHIA and MABELLE Hydrating Hybrid, and this is in the shade Topless. This is not going to be as opaque as a lipstick. This is going to be more sheer, but it's also hydrating at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this right in. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love this combination. We're achieving that perfect ombre lip here. This is the completed and final look, you guys. We did a complete rundown of the base box and the premium box, and it was really interesting to see all the products that are involved in the boxes this month. I had a lot of fun sitting down with you guys today and just going through everything, trying things, and then creating this very look that you see here. So if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop some comments down below. Which one of these products have you already tried? Which one is your favorite? We would love to know. If you are not already subscribed, I'm not really sure what you're waiting for. Go ahead. I'm inviting you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and friendly reminder to hit that bell button so you're notified each and every single time a new video is uploaded. Wouldn't want you to miss it. But that is all for now. I want to thank you once again so much for sitting down and kicking it back with me, and I'll see you very soon.